Alright guys, today I want to do a quick unboxing and review on my new DVD player. So I still have a lot of my favorite movies on DVD, and sometimes even when I go buy them, like it'll give you the digital copy as well. But like I said, still wanted to have access to my DVD collection, and this one actually does a lot more than just play DVDs. So I'll go over some of those features. Alright, so it's this one right here, nice and compact, not this big old device. You get the remote control, HDMI, RCA, one or the other, and then all of the manual. So that's very, very cool. So I'm gonna hook it up just so you can see how it works. But some of the features that you get on here that I guess traditionally you wouldn't get on the regular DVD players, this one actually will rip CDs and put them onto like a flash drive if you need that feature. It plays all the DVDs, styles, different regions, different languages. It'll play USBs. It will also has back here, and I'll show you the back. So there's your HDMI and then your 3 ports. And then right up front, right here, you have your mic. So this one, you can actually use it for karaoke as well. So I thought that was actually another very cool feature that not traditional DVD players have. So let's go ahead and hook it up on here, see how it looks. All right, as you can see, I already set it up. I used the HDMI that they provided. As you can see, it's already displaying on the TV. Like I said, it's really plug and play. Like I said, they come with the remote, so you don't have to actually be doing any of this right here. So as you can see, I went ahead and turned it off there. It does show that LCD, which is what I wanted to show right there. And we'll go ahead and test it out. Let's see. One of the cool features that is, like, if it's the same DVD, even though if you take it out and like just leave it out and you put it back in, it'll play back from where you left it. So you can see it's going to resume from where I left off, which I thought was kind of neat. And there it is. Really good quality, especially for it being DVD. So if you're looking for an awesome DVD player, like I said, it does CDs, DVDs, USB. It does karaoke with the mic, HDMI, RCA, whatever you got. I love that it can do it all. So if you're looking for a good DVD player, highly recommend this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.